And welcome back as our Bude adventure continues. You may recall in the last video we explored the stunning scenery around Boscastle, and in today's very short video we leave Boscastle and head slightly further south to the town of Tintagel. Yes, I am going to pronounce this wrong a lot over the coming video, but I'm sure you can forgive me. Let's head to Tintagel. Right, we're in the village of Tintagel, or the town of Tintagel. I still don't know if it's Tintagel. Tintagel or Tintagel? Tintagel or Tintagel, I'm not sure. We should have asked somebody. Should have asked the man at the English Heritage. It's £51 to get into the castle today for all of us, so we probably won't do that. But we're taking for a walk, so still lots to see. There's some bridges apparently and caves you might be able to see. We're not sure exactly what we can see for nothing. Let's get to one side. Here is a Land Rover. It's a really quite a steep hill, so they offer this little shuttle service to and from the street down to the castle. So anyway, we're going to have a wander around, but we're not exactly what we're going to do yet. So, but we are going to go and see the castle, if not go in the castle. Yeah. And it is a very pretty walk down a relatively steep hill to the cove that Tintagel sits above. And this is beneath the castle, and this is said to be Merlins Cave. Let's head down to the cove to see if we can get a closer look at the waterfall. That's the way we've just come down.
It's a bit dangerous.
Please don't slip.
Okay.
Everyone has to. Dakar, Max?
Yeah. It looks so cool.
It does look cool, doesn't it? There you go, that was pretty cool. Saw the waterfall just on the edge of the, coming over the rocks there. We're heading back up now to meet Suzanne, who decided not to come down, but see the waterfall just over that way. Very small little cove here, but yeah, cool. Right, onward and upwards. And let me quickly show you a few photographs that I took while we were down in the cove, and this is another stunning part of the Cornish coastline. Right, so that was Tintagel, or Tintagel Castle. Tintagel sounds better. I normally get it wrong though. We are leaving now. We're going to walk around town before we head back to the campground. So that has been the crux of our day. Beautiful, beautiful Bow Castle, or Boz Castle, and the less awe-inspiring Tintagel Castle, but still very pretty. Right, one more hill to go, and it's a big one. I did say it was going to be a short one because that is all for this video, but you have to subscribe and check out the next video when we visit the unique village of Clovelly, a village that you actually have to pay just to get into it. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.